lumapit ako konti. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, The Family Adventure USA. Let me just show you guys about these birds. This is the first time I saw them here. They're enjoying the weather and the water. They're white and black birds. Look at them. I don't know why they're there. I really don't know. See them? I cannot believe them, guys. See them? They're happy. Oh, tingnan nyo yung birds kayo. It looks like they're enjoying on the water. Look at that. This is the first time I saw them there. Black and white, and most of them is white. Look at them. I don't know what's going on there. Wow, that's a lot. See, even the black, did you see that? There's black birds there also, and white. Ayan, kasi ano yan eh, yung sa likod ng kapitbahay namin, yung bahay nila, tingnan mo, kaya lang makikita dito sa amin eh. Did you see them? Wow, I cannot believe it, guys. See that? There's a lot of birds there. This is the first time I saw them enjoying the good weather, and I think the water is not really cold, that's why. I don't know. Did you see them? Plenty of birds. It was the first time.